This is the street that our apartment is on. There are no cars. That's kind of a plaza. This is our building. And then the door is really fancy. We have a fob that turns green and our door magically opens. A little lobby. And an elevator. Our apartment, 3C. We have a doorbell, a big door. Our apartment's quite cozy. You come in the front door here and you have a mirror and a little bit of a ledge to keep your stuff and the keys. And then you come right into the bathroom. And I love the wallpaper. It's got birds and a monkey. The lighting is terrible, but the wallpaper makes up for it. We have the dreaded Euro half, can't really film it, shower door, which we don't really like, but we were worried it was only a bathtub and it ends up being a shower, so I guess that makes up for it. Leave the bathroom. Now we're in the living area. Hi, Jason. Jason's watching Leave It to Beaver. Now we're in the kitchen. It's probably about the same size of our other kitchen, I guess, but yeah, it's more open, so it's hard to tell. This is some of our food storage area. And of course the sink. What we really like in Europe is that the dish racks are open, normally above the sink and open, so if you put something up wet, it will drip into the sink, which is pretty neat. And then a dirty stove, which was like that when we got here, and I'm gonna buy some cleaner and fix it. And a tiny oven, and then microwave, and then a fun, funky refrigerator. I did forget to show you that we have a washer and dryer, or washer, sorry, no dryer, in our bathroom. I think it's actually bigger than the one we had before. We did our first load of laundry yesterday and it dried overnight, so that's much better than in Jerez. Leaving the kitchen again. This is our living area. The couch, although fashionable, is not comfortable. It's a kind of a fold-out couch, and Jason normally sits there and says there are springs. I sit on this chair a lot, and it is not either comfy either. This cabinet is sort of our pantry area, so overflow food that doesn't fit in the kitchen, because the one cabinet in the kitchen is for the water heater. This is our living room window. It kind of looks out onto not a driving street, and back here is a little square, so it's actually pretty quiet. And then we have a TV, which we can watch Netflix on. And our dining area with Jason looking so cute. And then we have our bedroom. The bed is actually pretty comfortable. It's bigger, maybe a queen size, and it has like padding in it, so that's nice. We have some coat hooks, we have a big window, same view. And we have these really nice European shutters that go down and up, so it blocks out sun and light at night. 2 bedside tables, which is a plus. And then we have our wardrobe. Again, you see all of the clothes I have. And we have drawers, so a few things are in there, but that's the majority of our stuff. And then they have a tiny little cleaning closet, real shallow closet buried behind the door. I will try to learn how to put 2 videos together. Oh, I have a big mirror. And show you the outside, but we'll see.